Hello everyone! Today we are exploring the exciting world of artificial intelligence and its incredible ability to create images. Specifically, we will see how AI can help artists make early sketches or drafts for their artwork, like paintings or drawing. It's amazing how technology has advanced to the point where a machine can create inspiring visual art. I'm excited to share some interesting insights with you. Imagine a place where creativity and technology come together, blurring the lines between human imagination and machine intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has innovative tools that artists can use to enhance their creativity process. One extraordinary application is generating images that act as a preparatory sketches for paintings, bridging the gap between an artist's vision and the final masterpiece. Before the advent of AI, creating an idea for a classical figurative painting required a lot of time and effort. Artists had to spend hours searching for a suitable studio with professional lighting and arranging all the objects that would compose the painting's scene. They also had to book a model for an extended series of poses or photo shoot, all of which incurred expenses for the artist. Once everything was ready, they would proceed with a painterly study of colors and composition before finally starting the painting. Thanks to AI in generating images that closely match the idea we have in mind, this not only simplifies the process but also cuts down costs, bringing joy to the artist who can then reinvest in other equally important aspects for their painting career. Save money, it is essential for the artist. For those who paint in a figurative style compared to those who use more abstract style, they may face some technical execution challenges. Figurative art requires continuous, repetitive practice, which often doesn't align well with the fast pace of modern times. When we admire the magnificent frescoes of Raphael in the Vatican rooms in Rome, we mustn't forget that they were the result of collaboration between the master and the assistants. Similarly, the great canvases of Rubens were the result of artistic collaborations. In the past, painters had assistants who suggested ideas and often executed entire parts of the painting with such skill that it's hard to recognize their work even today. At the end of the 19th century, modern art came, and the artist lost touch with a concept of collaboration between the master, apprentice, and commission. In modern days, collectors buy paintings in a various styles without ordering a specific commission, believing in the uniqueness of the artwork created from the artist's personal idea. However, the technical difficulties of the figure's style remain, and this is where AI comes to our aid. So let's imagine AI as an assistant from the 16th century capable of suggesting ideas and showing us how to finish the painting could look. It presents different solutions for the same image. Of course, the master will be the one to complete the work, interpreting it with their own painting technique. Despite the wonders of AI-generated images, it's essential to remember that they are tools meant to enhance human creativity, not replace it. The human touch, emotions, and unique expressions that artists add to their work are irreplaceable. AI merely offers another way for artists to explore their creativity, empowering them to break boundaries and reach new artistic heights. So, how does AI help artists to create these preparatory images? The AI algorithms can take input in the form of text descriptions or simple outlines and then convert them into vivid, expressive images. AI algorithms trained on a vast collection of artwork can analyze and understand the patterns, styles, and techniques used by great painters throughout history. This is my opinion. Do not generate images by AI and publish them as they are your works without any changes, because there aren't. In conclusion, the combination of artificial intelligence and art has brought us endless creativity opportunities. The generation of preparatory image for paintings is just one remarkable use of AI. Let's embrace this technology with open arms as it has the potential to elevate artistry and inspire the artist within all of us. Whether you are an artist seeking new ways to express yourself or an art enthusiast eager to see its evolution, the collaboration between AI and artists holds great promise. Okay, but what kind of app or software I should use? Let me jump into the details. I'm going to talk about three important software. If you want to see the rest of the lesson, you can go on my Patreon page. You can subscribe with £8 a month, and then you will see all videos lesson, including the rest of this lesson. And it is so interesting because if you understand the concept about how to manage these new tools, you can improve your style, your idea about art. Okay, I will leave you the link below. I forgot to tell you something about Patreon page. When you subscribe, you will pay £8 and then you will see the video. And after that, if you don't like it, you can unsubscribe any moment. You will not pay anymore unless you decide to continue to stay inside of my Patreon page and watching the new videos that I'm going to update every month.